To get started with a BMO investment account, first, you need to open an account. You can do this online or by visiting a BMO branch. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to complete the application process. Once your account is open, you can fund it by transferring money from your bank account or by mailing a check. Next, you need to choose your investments. BMO offers a range of investment products, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. You can browse these products online or consult with a BMO financial advisor to determine the best investments for your goals and risk tolerance. To buy or sell investments, log into your BMO account online or through the mobile app. From there, you can search for specific investments, view their performance, and place trades. You can also set up a systematic investment plan, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It is essential to monitor and adjust your investments over time. You can do this by regularly reviewing your account statements and adjusting your portfolio as needed. BMO also offers a range of tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions, including market research and analysis. To maximize your returns, consider taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, such as registered retirement savings plans or tax-free savings accounts. These accounts allow you to save for specific goals, like retirement or a down payment on a house, while minimizing your tax liability. Finally, keep in mind that investing always involves some level of risk. It is crucial to educate yourself and develop a long-term strategy to help you achieve your financial goals. By following these steps and staying informed, you can effectively use your BMO investment account to build wealth and secure your financial future.